Ever feel like your lead management is like a digital tornado of spreadsheets, missed messages, and the constant fear that a potential gold mine of a lead just slipped through the cracks? You're running killer campaigns, creating buzz, and the leads are pouring in. Fantastic, right? Except then the real work begins, the manual data entry marathon, the cross platform juggling act, the desperate hope that nothing gets lost in the digital shuffle. Sounds familiar. You're not alone. But did you know businesses that respond to leads within 5 minutes are 9x more likely to convert them? That's the golden window. But when you are wrestling with a chaotic lead management system, 5 minutes can feel like 5 seconds. Opportunities vanish, conversions plummet, and all that hard work feels like it's going nowhere. But what if there is a better way? A way to cut through the chaos and bring crystal clear clarity to your lead management. Introducing Campaign Bridge, your direct, reliable connection between the vibrant world of your social media campaigns and the organized power of Monday.com. Imagine leads flowing effortlessly, automatically, right where you need. Say goodbye to the tedious manual data entry that eats up your time and introduces error. Campaign Bridge ensures no lead goes unnoticed, empowering your sales team to act fast and close more deals. And now, Campaign Bridge is even more accessible with updated pricing designed to grow with your team. Whether you are a lean startup or a scaling enterprise, we have got a plan that fits you. Campaign Bridge isn't just about automation, it's about transformation. It's about liberating your team from the shackles of manual data entry, empowering them to focus on nurturing relations, engaging with prospects, and ultimately driving conversions. Imagine a world where every lead generated on your social channels automatically appears in your designated Monday.com board with all the essential information you need to take immediate action. Secure authentication, connect your platforms and Monday CRM with complete peace of mind. Connection management, all your integrations neatly organized in one easy to access hub. Field mapping, ensure every crucial data point lands exactly where you need it to be in your CRM. Automated lead transfer, time saved, errors eliminated, efficiency maximized. Customizable filters, focus on the leads that matters most to your strategy. Real-time synchronization, always have the latest, most accurate lead information at your fingertips. Lead creation, turn every valuable interaction into a potential customer instantly. Board component, visualize your campaign performance directly with Monday CRM. Multi campaign management, handle your campaigns with effortless control. Stop letting valuable leads get lost in the chaos. Imagine a world where your lead management is effortless, automated, and seamless. With Campaign Bridge, the world is now a reality. 10x faster lead response times, 30% reduction in lead leakage, 50% more sales conversions, higher ROI on ad spend. It's time to move from chaos to clarity. It's time to experience the power of Campaign Bridge. Ready to transform your lead management? Visit www.campaignbridgeapp.com to learn more and start your free trial today. Don't just get leads, nurture them into relationships with Campaign Bridge. Also, don't forget to like, share, and comment to check out more such amazing content.